Hello everybody, how's it going? This is Ms. Rejan, first grade class teacher from Kurjanias School. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to teach you phonics lesson and our subject is ending sound and it covers the page from 15 to 18 of your phonics book. Now let's get started. First of all, let's talk about ending sound. What's ending sound? Ending sound is the very last sound that you hear in a word. The last thing that you hear at the end of the word is ending sound. For example, in the first picture, what do you see in this picture? You see a pig. Pig. What do you hear at the end in this word? G. So, the ending sound is G in the word pig. The next picture. What's it? It's an X. X. The word X ends with X. X. So, the ending sound is X. Look at the next one. It's a top. Top. B. B. Can you guess the ending sound? Of course, it's B. So, the word top ends with B. Okay, look at the next picture. Oh, it's a school bus. It's a bus. Bus. S, s. What's the ending sound that you hear? It's S. Probably you know the beginning sound in this word, right? B. B. B is the beginning sound, but the ending sound in the word bus is S. Okay, look at the next picture. It's a pan. Pan. Pan is the sound that you hear at the end of this word ne. Ne, right? So, the ending sound in the word pan is ne. And then we have a map. Map. The ending sound of map is P. Okay, I put page 15 of your phonics book. Okay, let's do it together. The direction asks us to say the name of each picture and circle those that ends with the same ending sound. So, we have to find those words that have the same ending sound, okay? Let's do it together. The first one is pig. Pig. G. Coat. Coat. T. Lit. Lit. D. Rig. Rig. G. You guessed it right? Yes, pig and rug both ends with G sound. So pig and rug, you see, they both end with G sound. Okay, let's do the next row together. Bus, bus. Horse, horse. Nut, nut. Top, top. We have bus and horse, they both ends with S sound, right? So you can circle bus and horse because both have the same ending sound, which is S. Okay, can you do the next one? Of course you can. Okay. Yarn, yarn. Can, can. X, X. Mug, mug. You see, yarn and can, they both have the same ending sound, which is N, N. So you can circle both of them, okay? Now, next row. Deer, deer. Bread, bread. Bill, bill. Hill, hill. Oh, you guessed it right? Bill and hill, they both ends with L sound. So you can circle both of them, okay? Now, let's do the next one, which is the last one. Let's do it together. What do we have? We have pan, pan, leaf, leaf, scarf, scarf, dog, dog. Can you guess the last sound in leaf? Yeah? It's f. What about scarf? Scarf, f. So they both have the same ending sound, so you can circle them both. As you can see, I wrote all the words for you in this page, so you can see them all here, and if you pay closer attention, the ending sounds are all written in red. As you can see, pig, g is the ending sound and it's written in red, and in the word bus, it ends with s, so I wrote s in red and all other the same, okay? Let's move on the next slide. You can see all the answers of page 15 of your phonics book. You can find them all here. Please check your answers and correct your mistakes if there's any, okay? Turn to page 16 of your phonics book. The direction asks us to say the name of each picture and circle the picture in each row whose name have the same ending sound as the letter of the beginning of the row. Okay? So, let's do the first one. The letter M, which makes the M sound. So, we have to find a picture that ends with me endings. Okay. What the first one? It's a ham. Ham. It ends with me sound, so you can circle ham. What about the next one? It's a net. Net. Is it end with me? Of course not. So we don't need to circle. What about the last picture? Dime. Dime. Me. Did you hear the sound me clearly at the ends in this word? Yes, so circle dime as well. What about the next row? Let's do it together. So, we're asked to find the word that ends with this sound because the letter D is written here. Okay, the first picture is box. Box. The second one is bed. Bed. Salad. Salad. So, circle bed and salad. Next one, F sound. We have to find the word that ends with F, okay? The first picture is leaf. Leaf. F. Does end with F? Of course it does. So circle leaf. What about hoof? The hoof of the horse. Hoof. Yes, it ends with F as well. And log. Log. Does it end with F sound? No, it doesn't. So circle hoof and leaf. And as you can see, I wrote all the words for you and I wrote ending sound in red color. So, what do we have in this row? We have a bike. Bike. Does it end with B? No. The next picture is robe. Robe. Does it end with B sound? Yes, so circle it. What about crab? Crab. The last picture. Yeah, it ends with B sound, so circle crab as well. Of the last row, what do we have? The first picture is hook. Hook. Does it end with K? Yes, so circle hook. What about fan? Fan. It ends with K sound? No. What about book? Book. Yes, it ends with K sound. So you can circle hook and book. In this slide, I put all answers for you so you can check your book one more time, and if there's any mistake, just correct them and it's totally fine. Okay, let's turn to page 17. In this page of your phonics book, we are asked to write the letter that shows the ending sound of each picture, okay? I wrote all words for you here, and I just want you to say the name of each picture and write down the ending sound or ending sound. For example, flag, flag. What's the last thing that you hear in this word? It's G sound, right? Therefore, you have to write G under the word flag because it ends with G sound, okay? The next word is car, car. It ends with R sound, right? Write R, okay? What's it? It's a big, big. Can you hear K sound at the end of this word? Big? Yes. So you can write K sound under this picture. The next row, we have bed, bed, D. It ends with D, right? What about the next picture? It's a bell, bell. Can you guess the last sound in this word? Yeah, bell. It's L. L. Okay. What do we have? We have a tap. Tap. What's the ending sound that you hear in this word? P. P. That's great. Okay. What do we have next? Sun. Sun. What's the last thing that you hear? It's N, right? Okay. What about tent? Tent. Guess the last sound in tent is T. T sound. Okay. What do we have next? It's drum. Drum. Did you hear me sound at the end? Of course you did. Okay. The last row, we have milk. Milk. The ending sound of milk is K sound. What about bus? Bus. S, s, s is the ending sound? Yes. What about bag? Bag. G. G is the very last sound that you hear in this word. In this slide, here are all answers for you. All you need is to wait to get all the answers. Please check your answers to find out your mistake. I know you are all smart and it's totally okay to make mistakes. There you go, all the answers. Now, we are about to do page 18 of your phonics book. Okay, turn to page 18. As you can see there are some pictures, and underneath each picture, the name of each picture is written. But there are some letters missing, right? We have to find them out, the missing letter, and write them all. And the first picture, what do you see? It's a frog. Frog. What letter is missing? F-R-A-G. Oh, the letter G. The letter G is missing. G is a consonant, right? It's not a vowel, so write G for frog. What do we have next? It's a wig. Wig. What's missing in this word? Wig. W-A-G. Oh, W. W is missing here. W make W sound, so you have to write W. Okay, the next picture is van. Van. V-A-N. Van. What's missing in this picture? The letter V, which makes V sound. Moving on. What's this? What's this? It's a bed. Bed. B-A-D. Bed. Okay. What's missing? This sound, right? Which letter make this sound? Is it letter D? Consonant D? Yes. Okay. The The next picture is a mug. Mug. M-A-G. Mug. What letter makes M sound? Consonant M. Consonant M. Okay, right. M at the beginning of mug. What do we have next? It's a can. 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 What letter make N sound? It's letter N. Consonant N. N. So, write N in the end of this word. What do we have here? It's a fan. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Okay, what's missing here? Consonant F. Because this letter makes F sound. The next picture we have a book. Book. What's missing here? K, right? What letter make K sound? It's letter K, consonant K. And the last one is number 6. 6. Oh, the consonant X makes X sound. So write X. And in this slide, I wrote all answers for you. So don't worry, just check it out and you'll get all the answers. Okay, here I put some flashcards of what we learned so you can practice more. I'm sure you've seen them all before in your book. It's a better way to practice. Try to say the name of each word and practice the ending sound. The more you practice, the better you will be. So do it and you will be perfect. I hope you get benefit from this lesson and I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.